Hi front-end techies, welcome to UX Talks. We are going to see about JavaScript tutorial string manipulations from console.log. Concat statement. So concat statement is used to concat any strings with any of the string. We have these options, two lowercase and two uppercase we can execute. So the words we given in lowercase will be converted to uppercase and the uppercase letters will be converted to lowercase. Slice function. The slice function is used to cut off a part from the string. So the value which you have given will be getting cut off. Add function is used to show the character of the string present in the particular place. The char function is having char at and char codec, so which is used to show the character at the place with the and without the hex codes. Length function. So length function is used to count the number of string present in it, number of the letters present in it, and print the number of strings as the length. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment to UI UX Talks front end techies.